Is that the dustless guy back there?
Yeah, he's been hanging around the set all weekend, asking everyone if they can show him to service his equipment. They call him Mr. Jasshole. I think his first name is Hugh.
The best tool in the world for auto restoration is the Dustless Blaster.
Shut up!
Woo!
Well, Mr. Jasshole, if you will, stay quiet and don't bug anyone around here until we finish, okay?
You may be thinking to yourself, that's the dumbest thing ever. Everybody knows water makes things rust.
Jasshole, did you not hear the man? Shut up!
Now, Sean, I know you must have a joke, so just get it over with.
Oh, you want to hear a joke, huh? Okay, here it is. Mr. Jasshole, tell us about your equipment.
We are the past of dustless blasting. I mean, future.
Hugh, shut your mouth or I'm gonna come back there and give you what for?
Just tell us your dumb tip of the week.
Alright, time for the tip of the day. If you're taking a break from your blast job and you want to have the best laugh of your life, do the following. Go to the Dustless Blasting YouTube page, click on the video titled Stop Using the Wrong Tool for Automotive Restoration, link in the description. Go to the 55-second mark of the video and watch until the 1-minute mark. Do this over and over and over. Okay.
That's a funny clip. I've probably watched it 100 times today.
Do you want to get to the after faster? We are going to market the hell out of it for you.
I'm gonna come back there and sock you right in the throat, okay?
Are you guys hiring?
Oh, fiddlesticks. Jasshole, will you shut the heck up? I think I'm getting douche chills over here.
Get out there and blast.
Thanks, fella. And that's it for us today. See you next time.